In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Notion from opening automatically when Windows starts. If Notion launches every time you turn on your computer and you'd rather open it only when you need it, the good news is that this is very easy to change. Windows includes a built-in startup management tool that lets you control which apps run automatically in the background as soon as you sign in. Disabling an app from startup can also help reduce distractions and may even improve how quickly your computer feels when it first loads. To begin, open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard at the same time. This shortcut takes you directly to the Task Manager window, which is where Windows displays running processes, performance details, and startup settings. If the window opens in a simplified view, just expand it so you can access the full set of tabs and options. Once Task Manager is open, click on the Startup Apps tab. This section shows you a list of programs that are set to launch automatically when Windows starts. You may see a long list here depending on how many applications are installed on your computer. Take a moment to look through the list carefully and find Notion. The entries are usually organized in a simple list format, so scrolling slowly can help if you don't see it right away. After you locate Notion in the startup list, right-click on it and choose Disable. This tells Windows not to launch Notion automatically the next time your computer starts. Keep in mind that disabling it here does not uninstall the app and it does not prevent you from using it normally. It simply removes it from your automatic startup routine, so you'll still be able to open Notion manually whenever you want. To make sure the change worked, restart your computer. After Windows loads again, sign in as usual and check whether Notion opens on its own. If it stays closed after startup, that confirms the setting was successfully changed. That's all there is to it. This is one of the quickest ways to manage startup behavior in Windows, and it's especially useful if you want a cleaner, more controlled startup experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.